Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Cadillac XT6 Premium Luxury featured in dark mocha metallic with a dark auburn interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6-liter V6 paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a head-up display, heated ventilated front seats, HD surround vision, a heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, an UltraView power sunroof, wireless device charging, as well as ride and handling suspension, and much more. Checking out the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, Bose Performance Series speakers, as well as memory seating, front and rear powered windows, as well as power retractable mirrors, some storage and cup holder space below, and our hands-free power liftgate controls, and of course our main Bose speaker. Taking a look at the interior, here are the seats. To the bottom left, we have the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left, when we get inside, we have the power park brake as well as the head-up display, and we can take a closer look at the steering wheel. To the left, we have our cruise control with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert, and to the right, we have our audio controls as well as the cluster control. We can go ahead and take a look at the infotainment system here. Taking a look at the audio here, we have our AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We can connect the phone right there. We can also take a look at the navigation here. So we have a map. Of course, we can type in the address up at the top there. It is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as you can see at the bottom. Below that, we have our climate control with heated and vented seats for both driver and passenger, some storage below, 2 cup holders, infotainment system, controls, as well as our traction control in different drive modes. We have a place to hold our phone, and here's the center console. You can open that up. We have storage up top as well as a USB-C and USB plug-in. More storage down below. Here we have a rear view mirror. Just above that is the OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, as well as our UltraView power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, goes about the full length of the roof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving to the exterior, here are the wheels, Cadillac badging along the side, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry and a chrome accent. Also have privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back. We have some more XT6 and Cadillac badging. We can double click to open the power liftgate. We have a ton of storage space back here, as well as the third row of seats, which are down right now. We have some storage down below, and here are the controls for all the rear seats. And we can close it up by pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with Bose Performance Series speakers, powered windows, and some cup holder space below. Here are these seats. We have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle, we have our rear climate control. Down at the bottom, we have a USB-C and USB plug-in, as well as some extra storage below. At the top left, we have our handles paired with a light, matched on the other side, as well as our rear vents. In the middle, we can go ahead and drop this down to reveal an armrest / 2 cup holders. We get a great view of this sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2020 Cadillac XT6 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.